Hello everyone, welcome back to MathTabang. So in this video, we are going to go into unsaang pagmultiply ang fractions and unsaang pagmultiply ang isa ka fraction sa isa ka whole number. Multiplying fractions is actually isa sa pinakasayon na buhaton sa math. My dad would always say, it's the easiest thing in math. So let's start with an example problem. What is 3/5 times 1/7? So, to multiply fractions, ang imong button is i-times nimo ang duha ka babaw na number. So, 3/5 times 1/7, so 3 times 1. And then, ang answer, ana, kay mo na ang babaw na number sa answer, or ang numerator sa answer. And then, let's multiply ang duha ka ubos, because that's how you find the denominator sa answer, or ang ubos na number sa answer. So, 5 times 7 is 35. So, ang imong answer kay 3 over 35. Or 3/35. Okay, so suwaya ang kanina problem. What is 1/2 times 3/4? If makakaibaw na ka sa answer, make sure to check the description box below para makakaibaw ka what is the actual answer. And check it. So, 2/3 times 6 is multiplying, nag-times ka, og fraction, og whole number. 2/3 times 6, ang pag-solve, ana, since naman kay whole number, na walay ubos or walay denominator, you need to put a denominator. So, when you multiply a fraction and a whole number, bunyan mo siya denominator of 1. So, 2/3 times 6, may mo na siyang 2/3 times 6 over 1. So, 2 times 6, remember, multiply ang babaw. 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 1 is 3. So, ang babaw ni mo kay 12, or ang numerator kay 12, and then ang ubos ni mo kay 3. Kung imo na siyang i-simplify, may mo na siyang 4. Don't worry if wala mo kasabot on saan pag-simplify ang kato na fraction, because amo ra tong i-explain sa another video. So, ang atong word problem is, LeBron James took 20 shots in his recent game, and he made 3/5 of his shot. How much of his shots did he make, or what is 3/5 of 20? One trick na akong itulot nimo para makasolve mo ani is ang of, pwede na siya nimo pulihan og times sign. So, ang of, imo nang pulihan og times sign, then ang imong problem is actually 3/5 times 20 instead of 3/5 of 20. And so, ang pagbuhat, ana, butyan na nimo ang whole number or ang 20 o denominator of 1. So, 3/5 times 20 over 1, and then imo na siyang i-solve. So, babaw numbers i-times, you get 60. Ang ubos na numbers imong i-times, may put siyang 5. So, now you have 60 over 5, which kung imo siyang i-simplify, may mo siyang 12. So, LeBron James made 12 shots in his recent game. So last na lang na word problem para nato karon. I gave my little sister half of our pizza. How much of the pizza did I give my little sister? So gitagaan daw nako tunga sa akong pizza. Akong gitagaan sa akong manghod. So how much sa kato na pizza akong gihatag niya? The important thing is ang half of half or 1/2 of 1/2. So remember, ang of, pwede niyo siya pulihan og times sign, and you get 1/2 times 1/2. So then multiply fractions. As we remember, it's the easiest thing in math. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, and we get 1/4. So gitagaan na ako akong igsoon og 1/4 sa pizza. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. To sum up this video, let's remember na ang multiplying fractions is ang isa sa pinakasayon sa math, or the easiest thing in math. And let's also remember that when you multiply a fraction and a whole number, all you need to do is butngan nimo denominator ang katong regular na number or whole number. And then, ang mahitabuan na, mahimo na siyang multiplying fractions, and sayo na kayo na. And also, the little trick that we taught you in this video, make sure to remember that pwede nimo siya pulihan og time sign. So, a lot of the problems that are like 3/5 of 1/4 or 2/3 of 1/2, sa'yo na kayo na because it's just multiplying fractions, which is, remember, the easiest thing in math.
Also, if ganahan mo og practice problems para mutabang og tuon ninyo, magbutang mi og link sa description to games na mutabang ninyo og master sa kanina skill.
Salamat kayo sa pagtanaw. Mo appreciate yun na mo if pwede nimo i-subscribe among channel and keep a lookout for our next videos. Bye everyone!